Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, then again 11 minus 1 is equal to also 10. Now 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E M DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to, so first priority is this parenthesis. Okay. So 11 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication comes first. Okay. Then we have to solve subtraction. So now 11 minus 1 multiply 10 is equal to 10. Okay. So 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. So the correct answer is 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.